Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Today's mukbang is about corned beef. Corned beef. So there's bisupo, manioka, cassava, and a luau. Okay, I'll tell you about this luau. It's really old. It's really old. You know when you get it from, like Olimia. When you get it from Samoa, and then what I do, I quickly freeze it. I just freeze it to preserve the quality of it as much as I can. Because I tell you what, guys, if you get luau from Samoa, it's got the pure coconut, coconut cream, not the can, the one. Okay, see, did you guys like my sound reactions? What's that? Sound reaction. Sound what? And then, then I went to look for something. Oh yeah, I went to look for like the frozen beans, the long ones, to flavor with my corned beef, my bisupo. Yeah, la kuya le se mea le aka mai le little out. So I thought, okay, here we go. I'll use that then. Aqua umanga saka le manioka cassava. Yeah. Yeah, Melissa, you can see the steam. Yeah. Then after this, honest. Yeah. And after this, I'm going to show you guys the dessert my daughter made, but she wants us to give a review on it. This is, I don't know what it's called. So, hello. This is the Mars Bars cheesecake. And then this one is, I don't know. I think it's, chocolate, I don't know, she didn't write down the list. She just dropped it off, and she wants, like us to tell her what we think about it, because, I don't know, she just enjoys making these cheesecakes and stuff like that. So I put it on the side. That's for after, guys, that's for after. And she likes how I give her what I think about her food, because with her food, anything, her clothes, makeup, her hair, because she always says that when I give my reviews or my opinion, that I always give the honest one. Because I do. Because I ain't going to tell my daughter something that's not true, and then she thinks it's right, and then it, not right for her. But anyway, at the end of the day, it's up to her what she thinks, but it's wise if she takes my advice. Like I listened to my mom. Oh, yes I did when I grew up. Okay, anyway, anyway, look guys, this corned beef, what? I opened it into the to the bowl, and I microwaved it, right? Because I wanted all the oil to melt, and then I just want the bisupo, waiter. Ufa yeah. Slapa sing it to you with my luau, guys. Yeah. This is the luau from Samoa. Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna move my plate over, guys, so I can show you guys the luau. Is that Samoa quality luau? Yeah. I don't care if it's been in the freezer. Right. Oh gosh, you know what? I'm gonna tip it down. Oh, I should have got the other one as well. But I thought I'll leave it just in case. If you use this gonna cut. Okay. I'm not a lawyer said Anyway, guys, take a look. Look, cassava, bisupo, and salmon made luau. So water is the choice of the drink today, guys. So cheers. Because I know this is going to be a bit rich, so you need water, not sweet drink. Okay. So I bought this cassava. I always try and go and get the yellow cassava. I don't know what bag to get. So I just get it and I bring it home, boil it. It's not yellow. I think slack. Yeah. Very asa. Look, you see the steam come up? Yeah, maybe not. Yeah. Okay, luau. Luau. Oui. I should have. Faye may luau le pisupo. Oh, yeah, ngala. Yeah, there was a safe Faye gonna be. Oh, look how rich it is inside. Oh, vai. Oh, lolo mai kokong. Luau. It's a luau. You know, luau is a taro leaf and onion, coconut cream, fresh from the nuts, and and onions, salt, ooh la la, and a lot of love. See, when you get your luau, guys, freeze it straight away. You eat it whenever you want. Right, now I'm going to cut pisupo. Ay malok luau dia. Oh. Vai phía ai? Ôi, vai phía ai? Cái cô mang đi mà. Mangay. Mangayos. Ay di nagkasya luau ng sama. Kiranga di dapat luau, just not enough luau for me. Anyway, guys, I thought of my story I was going to tell you. It happened in the weekend, last week, on a Saturday. Okay, this is what happened. I went into the newsagent. Me and my husband. What was I saying? Oh, right. Oh, yeah. I need to check my old lottos. Because, man, I can take lottos and it can stay in my bag for months. Anyway, so I thought on Saturday, they just went, I gotta check my lotto, right? And with that little machine thing that stands by the counter, so I checked it. It said, no hard luck, like, shame on you, you know. The machine went, shame. And then I threw that in the bin. And then the second ticket I went, and it said, already paid. And I thought, well, shame. And I chucked that. And then there was 2 other tickets. So I thought, well, I might have some luck on this one. And the first ticket said, go up to the counter. And I thought, my gosh, I just hit the jackpot, right? Yeah, that was in my mind, but I didn't shout, I was just standing there carefully. Oh. And then I put the second ticket in, and it said, go up to the counter. And I thought, now I know it's a bull crap. But anyway, so I walked over to my husband and I said, the ticket said go up to the counter. And he said, go, darling, go. I thought, okay, act cool like you're not excited. So I walked up. Oh, first of all, I had to line up behind 2 people. Anyway, but I walked up to the counter and I said, I put the tickets in to that machine over there, and it said come up to the counter. So I give the tickets to the girl. She checks the first one, and then she said, I don't understand what's happening. I thought, and then she tries it again. I don't know what to say to her. I'm just waiting for the result. And then she turns around to her boss And then the boss comes over to the machine. And then I think, yeah, now we're going to get a result because the boss knows what to do. So he comes over and he slaps it. Faulty. Slap it. And he said, the machine is not reading the barcode. And then I said, oh, but what does it mean? And he said, the machine is not reading the barcode. And then I said, oh, okay, can I have my tickets? So I go to my husband and I go, I said, it's not reading the barcode. And he said, oh, yeah, don't worry. We're going to go to Homebush. Now, Homebush is where the Lotto office is. And I thought, I ain't got to go all the way there and it's like faulty, you know. Oh, no, when I was lining up, my husband goes, hurry up, go and line up. Go and line up, go and get your money and let's go. I forgot about that. He got me excited when he said that. And anyway, yeah. So as we were walking to the car, I was thinking, why is the machine not reading, scanning this and, you know, not reading this? So, observing it, you know, close up, it said that the date on it was January, 13th of January, 2018, okay? A year ago. Over a year ago. So, I go, oh, to my husband, it says it's 2018. And he goes, just get in the car. And we started laughing. Shame. So I felt like I was the Lotto winner for 2 minutes. Okay, guys? 2 minutes. Yep. And then I was thinking about what year ago? 1987, I think it was that long ago. That's how long I've been with my husband. And we was going. You know how you fill in all the blocks of the, you know, I wanted to punk, punk is prank. Okay, punk. I wanted to prank my husband, right? So I filled in all those blocks, 6 numbers, but 1 block, right? This is my so I go. So they're drawing out the numbers, right? I'm marking it. Every number in this one single block I didn't fill in. I'm marking out the number. So I got the number and I quickly wrote it down on a piece of paper. And I left my ticket on the counter where the TV stand is. I put it right in front of the TV. And then I waited for my husband to come. So when he come in, because he was in the kitchen, so he come in the room and I go, hey, look, I'm busting go toilet. Please, can you check the numbers? Can you check the numbers because it just finished thing. He goes, oh, where's your ticket? And I said, I didn't take it because I missed the Lotto shop. It closed. He goes, oh, so what are you telling me? I said, just check my numbers because I always like taking those numbers. And then he goes, oh, hurry up then. Give it here. So I give him the card. You know, then I wrote the number. And I said, my ticket's in the front of the TV. And then I went to the toilet. And I sat there and I waited. The toilet's not far from the room. And then he calls out, Daddy, come here. And I thought, oh, no. I thought, oh, yeah. See, you should have had cameras back in those days, they record this. But, I go, what is it? Wait, I'm not finished yet, wait. Am I going to pull a straight face or what? Anyway, okay, I thought, okay. Go out there, think angry, and then you don't have, you know, you're not going to laugh. So I go out there and I go, what? You know, pretending to dry my hands. I go, what? What is it? He goes, you didn't take these tickets, but you got 6 numbers. Come here, darling. Please. Oh, look. You know, he was like, makai kupe. Panicking. I go, yeah. Oh, you guys here. Oh, and I was meant to take the that lotto ticket, but I didn't, you know, like, I missed the time. I just forgot about the time. And he said, but we were in the shops. We were at the shopping centre today. You could have... I said, I didn't remember, but when they said that they were going to draw the numbers, I remember my ticket that's in front of the TV. He goes, oh, you idiot. I thought, what do you call me? Hold the brakes. Hold the brakes. What did you call me? Yeah. Oh, pardon me. And you know what? I said, don't call me an idiot. Guess who's the idiot here? And he goes, and he's still going on, blabbing on like, how could you not take, like, how do you even know you're going to win? Hey, no one knows they're going to win. He goes, how could you not take? Anyway, I said, shame, call me an idiot, but you're the one that looks like an idiot. Do you know that's not even real? He goes, what do you mean it's not even real? The numbers are here, all the 6 numbers. I thought, oui. Karo whaera skamara, rogo fia whai kupe. No, I told him. I said, I took all the numbers except 1 block. And I told me he's going to get a pen. And then I went and started marking. And he goes, ah. And he trying to do what happened. He's like, you chopped it. He goes, man, why would you do that to me? Hey, listen, he called me an idiot, but I managed to prank him. Not punk, prank. Oh, man, I'll never forget that day, man. Well, he knew that day, I'm not just a pretty face, buddy. I'm not just a pretty face. If I die, you better not do out. I become a fire. Eat the corned beef. Yeah, that's what happened to my pretend when back in the days, and just on Saturday when I thought, oh, go to the counter. Oh, what does that mean? I mean, no deal. I mean, you've been punked. You don't win nothing. Well, you took this a year ago, and you didn't even come to see if you won anything. Anyway, so I still got the tickets in my my bag, because I think, okay, can I still go find out if I won anything? Because there's a lot of unclaimed lottos out there, you know, guys. But anyway, try that prank on someone, on your relative. Shh. If they don't watch my video, then you do it. Fill in all the blocks and leave 1 block. Then you quickly scribble it down as the numbers go, and then you do it. Okay? Okay, guys. Someone's knocking. Okay, guys. Yeah, I had to go and open the door because my son just got home from work, and now it's time to give my daughter her review that she wants on this. I honestly have never tasted this because she's just trying different cheesecakes out. Okay, so okay, I went to wash my hands. I still got water around my cheeks. Anyway, so I don't know. She should have given me a list of what I can see. Oh yeah. She said there's some Mars bars. This one. So I don't know. Oh, Twix. No. Does that look like Twix? That's not Twix, eh? That's like chocolate Cadbury stick thing. Is it? Because Twix is a bit thicker than this. I don't know. Guys, I don't know. I'm only going to try it out, okay? Just going to... What's this? Is it fresh cream? Is it fresh cream on top? It does look like it's got fresh cream on top. What do you think? Have a look. Can you see? I don't know. Anyway... And this one, it's like a caramel, you see? Focus. Yang ala, yang focus aku. Yep. So, guys, I'm going to try this one because this one looks really oily. Okay. Hey guys. Mm. It's not too sweet, which is good. We bought some from a guy, and ooh, the sweetness is so unbearing, but it's lovely. It still tastes good. But this one's not sweet, not that sweet. It's just right. Enjoy them. It's actually nice. Okay. But I think this thing needs, honestly, it needs a bit more base. The base got to be a bit higher. And then, because it's got too much, it's got too much of the cream cheese, and it costs more. When the biscuit base can be a bit thicker, and then it's a bit cheaper if you have it like that. And I like the base. Who likes the base? Me. Well, it's nice. That's why I keep looking down to see. Oh, it's quite nice. Look inside. So it's got some goodies inside. No, you can't see it there. Let's have a look through the container. Yeah, it's quite nice. Very, very nice this one. And we use a bit more base. Otherwise, it just needs a bit more base, and then I say 10 out of 10. But for now, it's 8 out of 10. Okay. Now this one is different because it's got a bit more base. Okay, so I don't know why she did it like that. This one's got a bit more base. I don't know if this is fresh cream. Yeah, it is fresh cream. Man, yeah. I like fresh cream. Oh, cuts easy too. Okay. I wonder what's in it. Oh, nice. What is it? So it's cream cheese with a bit of what? Milo? Chocolate? The base of this one is a bit more higher up and it's better. Yeah. You know those little twists. Has this one got a bit of lemon in it or what? It's nice for people that really like chocolate. This is like double chocolate. And that one's like caramel. No, I think she said this one's Nutella. Oh, is it all? Oh, well, for your buckles. Yeah, because you know when you eat something, like, you don't know what it is, so you have to guess. But yes, I think I saw something that said Nutella on this little note that she gave. So Nutella and Mars bars. Oh, now I can taste Nutella. No, biscuit base, chocolate, cream cheese, fresh cream, Nutella drizzled on top, and these little biscuit. Cheesecake. 8 is because the base is not thick enough. Yeah, just a bit more base because the cream cheese is not cheap. Okay, So if you got a bit more base, then you have to use a little, you know, still got to have a nice amount of cream cheese. I mean, that's the like what people like about cheesecakes is the base and cream cheese. Anyway, guys, and this one I give an 8. Okay, you know why? It's not because I give it an 8. It's because I'm not all that into chocolatey cheesecake because ele masani me. I'm not masani to it. I'm only used to the white one. But I think the more you eat it, the more you get used to it. Then you know you have that want for the flavor. But it's good. I'm not saying it's bad. Okay, that's my honest opinion. That's an 8. That'll be a 10 once the base is done. Right, and then her name is Mata, but her birth certificate says Crystal. it's one of my best friend's names, but she's never liked that name. But she looks like a Crystal. She looks like my best friend. Hey, shh. If she saw Crystal and the way their hair is and the way they look, they're very similar to one another, mate. Anyway, so that's my mukbang for today. I had a lovely little owl that I left in the freezer from Samoa, and bisupo and cassava and these 2 lovely cheesecakes, and then my water, and then that's it. And my story about I almost won Lotto in my dreams. Yeah, dreams are for free. Yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, my sister was here today. She bought some pancakes over. Pancake la poto and suafai. But she had just come and I had just made my mum her breakfast, so I gave it to my mum after. But she was telling me that some of the ladies that she know, they really, you know, like my videos. I got excited. I thought, oh, how cool. And then they said that they enjoy watching and they enjoy like laughing at what I say. Because I tell you what, I don't think of what to say. I don't like write a script down. I just eat and then I just like, because it's like I'm talking to one-on-one. So I don't know how many people is watching at the same time or whatever, but to me it's like just one, me and you. That's it. That's the only 2 that's you know, only me and you, guys, me and you. Okay? Yeah. So if you do like my video and the things that I come up with, you know, like it just comes in my mind and I just remember stuff, so I just okay. Anyway, I want to say hello to my family that's in New Zealand. Yeah, my uncle Moe and his kids, and his grandkids. My uncle, when my auntie was alive, their grandkids was their life. Like that's what they could talk about and stuff like that. I miss my uncle. I miss my auntie. I miss them. You know. I always think of them, and I miss my brothers. I've got 2 brothers over there. It's one, but there was a cousin of ours that lived with us. I consider him as a brother. So it's one stays in Auckland and one stays in Opatiki. And then I miss my other cousin. She's married to a Faye. She stays in Alaska. Yeah, these are the people I grew up with, you see, so that's why, you know, the bond is never broken, okay, guys. Then I miss my sisters down in Melbourne, and I miss my bro. He hasn't come around since March, April, May, June, but not even that June. What a little guy. Okay, anyway, guys, I'll let you guys go. And you guys take care. Wailua. Be good to one another. And don't forget your fellas filming. Wailua. Put up your fellas videos because I'm watching and other people will be watching as well. Okay? Just put it up, guys. Put it up and let us go and join the Polytube. Okay? Yeah, fast way forward. Whew. Hey, I really like these cheesecakes. You know, I'm going to go sit down, watch my TV, and eat the rest of it. Shh. Don't tell them, because they will come, Mom, can I have some? No. Mine. Bye, guys.